Taobao. It's like Chinese Amazon. If you open it, you will see lots of products, but everything is in Chinese. But in this video, I'll guide you how to create an account on Taobao, how to change the language of this app on iOS devices, how to add your home address for the product's delivery, how to add your bank account. So let's dive in. First of all, go to your Apple Store and here you type Taobao. Here is the app. Download and install. Well, I'm using Canadian and UK Apple Store, so this app is available in Canada and UK, and it's also available on American Apple Store. Once you install this app, this will look like this one with this character. This is Taobao. Open it, but here is a deal. If you change this one into English language, then all these products gonna be limited and there might be price difference. So double check that. First off, we're gonna change the language so that we can add other details. This one is a little bit tricky. Just go to Me option and go to Setting. After going to Setting, you will scroll down and see this option. And now click on the first option. These are the countries. If you choose this one, this is New Zealand. You can choose any other. This is Thailand, I guess. I'm not a Chinese speaker, but yeah, I got an idea that these are the countries. So I'm gonna choose this one. Now go here, select it, and this is tricky. Now you need to go all the way back because you will not see any language changes here. Go to Setting again and you will see this place. Just click on that. Here you will see now. Well, you can try different countries, but I tried here Malaysia and it works now. It shows different language, English. Now from Chinese currency to another currency you can select. Alright, now everything is in English, and if I go to account, now you can easily see there. This again in Chinese. No, I don't want that in Chinese. Yeah, after refreshing you can get back to English. Alright, so here you will see my orders and to receive or to review. Now everything is okay because it's in English. So first off, you need to create an account. Just go to Me or Account section here and go to Setting. Here I already have an account, but I can switch to an account to give you an example. Just go to Add an account here. You will be prompted to create an account. You can choose a phone number. There are some countries, not all of the countries in the world, but you know, these are the listed countries you can see from A to Z. These are the countries right now I can see. Maybe you see more. You can choose a phone number, or either you can create an account with the help of Google, Apple, Facebook, or Alipay. If you don't have Alipay, you can simply go there and create an account as a foreigner. Just open your Alipay and create an account there. It's easy peasy. You just need to add your passport. Alternatively, you can also go for option, use email instead, and here you can type any email. For example, I say thickwistic@gmail.com. I can continue and create an account there. After that, you will have this kind of account. Go back, go to this setting wheel again, and here you can add address, my address. Go to add, you can choose the country. I have selected Malaysia, so it shows Malaysia. You can select any other country wherever you live. So after that, fill this information with your real name, update and save here. Now, once again, you need to go to payment setting. I have linked my Alipay account. You can also link Alipay account or simply go and add debit and credit card here. Add now. And here you can add the detail of your debit and credit card. Once everything is done, just go and scroll. So now, if you want to order something, I change my address to Australia. I can just simply go there, read the details of any product and go to buy now. So here it is with my address. I can simply go and buy. I'm not in Australia, so the currency is shown as yuan. But if you set any other currency, it will be in another currency. You can also try changing the language back to Chinese so that you will have multiple more options to shop from. That's it. Simple. This is how it works. And be aware of some of the companies because 5 fingers are not always equal. If you learned something new, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.